Well, hey, if you are so tired of spending your hard-earned dollars at Sephora on high-end products and are looking for some must-have drugstore makeup, then you are in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm picking back up on my series on this very topic, and we are talking blushes today, specifically the Milani Baked Blushes. Stay tuned because it's coming your way right now. Well, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here for a bit, if you are new, I am super glad that you are here today. My name is Lauren, and my channel is all about making beauty easy for the girl who thinks that she can't. My hope today is that you will consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted every single time I upload new videos, which is every single Friday. I'm also gonna ask that if you are super pumped to be learning about drugstore makeup that is not gonna break your bank but keep you looking fancy, that you would smash that thumbs up button because it seriously helps me out so much. With that said, I want to get into today's topic, which is all about another must-have drugstore makeup product. And today we are talking all about Milani's Baked Blushes and why they are thebomb.com. So let's go ahead and roll into some footage of me applying it and showing you a high-end version that I think personally this Milani one is a dupe for, and talking about the reasons why I absolutely love this product. And as always, you can catch everything that you need to know about these blushes and more down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and roll into some other footage. All right guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the reason why I love these Milani Baked Blushes. So I have on all of my makeup, as you can see, other than some blush. I'm all contoured and stuff, but I wanted to save the blush application for you to be able to see how it goes on. And what I wanted to do was actually compare it to a high-end brand that I love and have, and I think you got a dupe right here. So this is the Rose d'Oro, I hope I'm saying that correctly, blush from the Milani Baked Blush line. And I love this one because it really, on the skin, mimics, and I have to show you this carefully because I've broken it 1,000 times, but it really mimics the orgasm from NARS, or NARS Orgasm, however you want to say that. And so I actually wanted to show you guys what these two looked like on my cheeks, and so for you to be able to see the similarities and see what you think. So let's put them on, and then I will kind of tell you another couple of reasons why I love these blushes and why I think they're really great if you are new to makeup, or you love drugstore products and love to save money, as well as if you are trying to basically fill your kit up with products that are not gonna break the bank. So let's go ahead and put the Rose d'Oro, however you say that, we're just gonna call it the Baked Blush number 2. We're gonna put that one on the left side, and then we'll do NARS Orgasm on the right. So I get a pretty healthy amount on my brush. You guys know that I'm the blush queen. I love to use blush. I overdo it because it's the first thing of your makeup, or it's the first product on your face that actually kind of starts to fade away throughout the day. So I always over blush because 10 to 30 minutes from the time I get done with my makeup, it's gonna look a lot less wow, right? So, okay, I have had this for a long time, so let me point this out too, and I use it constantly and I still haven't hit pan. So that's another reason I love these. They really last a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna tap off that excess. And then what I'm gonna do is smile and put this on the apples of my cheeks and just kind of fade it back into that contour. So another reason I chose this one to show you guys along with the NARS Orgasm, because I feel like NARS is a very universal color that a lot of people use no matter what your skin tone is. So I wanted to show you something that I could kind of show you what a high-end looked like, and also what something from the drugstore looked like. And you could actually see this on any skin tone because it works pretty well. So there's that one. And now let's actually do, and not spill this everywhere, the NARS Orgasm. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit on my brush, same concept. And I've used this one a lot, and I've definitely hit pan on it. So I haven't obviously used it all, but it does go faster. So let's smile again. Let's put this on the apples of the cheeks. What's great is I can wear 2 blushes today that are different and not look crazy, because I'm gonna be going out like this, you know? Okay, so I feel like the NARS almost needs a little more just to catch up to what I did with the Baked Blush. See why I already like this is that it didn't take much to give me some nice color on my face. So we'll just add a little bit more. And these are also shimmery blushes, you guys, so if you, I mean, obviously you can tell that. I'm not gonna put on any highlighter. I'm done with my face after this. So let's just kind of take a peek here. But you have on the left, you have the Baked Blush by Milani. and on the right you have NARS Orgasm. So while I love both of these blushes, I'm gonna be more apt to go purchase this one because most places that you're gonna go, this is gonna be anywhere from $7 to $8. This blush right here is 39 bucks on Sephora's website. So for me, that's just like, oh my gosh, I can think of so many other things I would rather spend $40 on than a blush that I'm gonna hit pan on pretty quickly. It's again, not that I don't love this product, I own it, I use it, but when I found this after I bought the NARS, I was like, holy cow, this is amazing. Like this is way, way better of a product in my opinion, and it's way cheaper. And as I've said in all of these videos with this whole drugstore series that we're doing, I'm all about saving money but having quality products. So, okay, so the second thing is that I wrote down a couple notes. If you see me looking down, that's why. But a baked powder like this is actually gonna start out as a cream. So these typically tend to be like a smoother formula, and I feel like that's kind of what you can see. The NARS has a lot more shimmer to it, which I do like that. I like the shimmer, but I do feel like that this just kind of glides onto the skin and looks smoother. And so the other reason I love these baked powder blushes like this is because they tend to last longer throughout the day. Again, because it's a powder, so it's a little bit more pigmented, and you're gonna find that these are gonna last a little bit longer. So if you're a blush queen like I am, you don't have to put on as much as you normally would to be able to get a lasting result, and I love that. And so you guys have seen me use, I think it's Luminoso, that's how that one's pronounced. You guys have seen me use this one a ton in all of my videos. And if you can see back here in my little makeup tray, all of these gold containers back here are all the Milani baked blushes. So what I will do is actually just kind of link the ones that I have for you down below, and you can go and take a look at them and see what you think. And of course, try them on your own skin. Okay, so my question for you down in the comments this week is, what is your favorite drugstore blush, and tell me why. So if it's a different brand than the Milani, I would love to hear about it. I think I've said this a couple times in these videos that I'm doing. I tend to find something that I love from the drugstore, and I'm really like hell-bent on like saying, I can't change it, I can't change it. With the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara that I did a couple weeks ago, a lot of you guys were like, you should try the Lash Paradise, and I'll link that video up above for you if you haven't seen it. And I just want you guys to know that I did try it, and I'm wearing the L'Oreal Carbon Black today because I still love this mascara, and I just didn't think that that one was as great. So I tend to be a little hard-headed, but it doesn't mean that I don't want to hear what you love and why you love it. So let's chat about that down in the comments, and perhaps let's get the conversation going, because again, as I've said in a few other videos that are on products like this, it doesn't mean that just because I love it that you're necessarily gonna love it, or that it even works well for your skin. So if you have something that works good and your skin type's different, it's really cool if you tell us those things so that we can kind of get a gauge for what your skin type is and how things wear on your skin, all that good stuff, and that might help other viewers out as well. So if you could include those things, that would be awesome down in the comments. So I think that's actually gonna wrap up today's video on our baked blushes with Milani. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I'm gonna ask that you would do that now. And of course, connect with me on social media. It is one of my favorite places to connect with y'all, especially in my private Facebook community, which you can click on the description box below and join it. This is a group full of girls like you and me where we chit chat about products we love, products we hate. Once a month, I go live in that group for my show called Contour and Converse, where I create a makeup look with you guys and sometimes a hairdo if we have enough time. And of course, I just started another little like mini series, if you will, in that platform called Masking Mondays. And basically it's an accountability for me to be able to mask my face once a week because I'm really bad about doing it. And so what we're doing is masking together and sharing what we're masking with and how it's affecting our skin. So if this sounds like a community that you would love to be a part of, that's with girls just like you and me, then go ahead and click on the link below and join us for next time. Thank you guys again, as always, for joining me. I so enjoy doing this with you every single week, and I will see you next Friday in my next video. #ReformTomboyFamily. I'll see you soon.